if you're experiencing crashes while playing Valorant, there are several steps you can take to troubleshoot and resolve the issue. Follow this guide to help stabilize your gameplay. Step 1. Update graphics drivers. Ensure that your graphics drivers are up to date. Visit the website of your graphics card manufacturer, NVIDIA, AMD, or Intel, and download the latest drivers for your system. Installing the latest drivers can help improve performance and fix compatibility issues. Step 2. Verify game files. Open the Riot client, go to Valorant, and select the Settings option. Look for the option to verify or repair game files. This process will check for any corrupted files and replace them, which can help resolve crashing issues. Step 3. Adjust in-game settings. Lower your in-game graphics settings to reduce the strain on your system. Navigate to the Settings menu in Valorant and adjust options like resolution, texture quality, and effects to a lower setting. This can help improve stability during gameplay. Step 4. Disable background applications. Close any unnecessary applications running in the background that may be using system resources. This includes web browsers, streaming services, or other games. Freeing up system resources can help Valorant run more smoothly. Step 5. Reinstall Valorant. If the previous steps do not resolve the issue, consider uninstalling and then reinstalling Valorant. This can help eliminate any persistent issues that may not have been fixed by verifying game files. Make sure to back up any important settings before doing this. By following these steps, you should be able to reduce or eliminate crashing issues in Valorant. If problems persist, consider reaching out to Riot Games support for further assistance.